Hello, welcome to coderscoding. In this video, we are going to see how the structure will be work in C++. For that, I have to take the /include iostream.h and /include conio.h. These two are the library files which is already defined in the C++. Now, I'm going to create a struct keyword with the structure name as a student. In this, I have to give the properties of character, name and int age, grade. It's a float, right? So for that, I have to take the float as a marks, and grade always we denote A grade, B grade, C grade, like, right? So that I have to take the character. And coming to here, void main I have to taken, and I have to map the values. So student, this student, and then student, struct student, the both name should be same. Then s equal to, I have to give the Tulasi and age, and then the properties I have to give, grade, and then properties I have to give. Then coming to print that values, I have to use the cout function, and then name of the student s dot name, endl, so which will bring the new line. For that, I have to give here endl and cout and age of the student s dot age and endl. The next, cout and give the, what is that, grade or mark, whatever it may be, you have to give grade of the student. And so s dot grade or mark I have to give. So here I have to do the small mistake. What is that, grade of the student, then I have to mention here, instead of grade I have to mention the mark, right? So that I have to erase here, and then mark will be given to the instead of grade, and write it down. Here better to, I have to give, instead of grade I have to give mark, then grade of the student s dot grade endl. This is the way I have to map. Okay, then coming to check the errors is there, then remove the always constructed denote with the open braces, there is no equality, remove that one. And then coming to here, where we occurred the errors, we will be solving that one. Then coming to here and see where I get the errors. After clearing the errors, then you just see the output, name of the student and age of the student, and then mark, it will be bind there. So this is the simple way we have to find the structure.